Trusted roofing solutions in Sundance, Utah. EagleRidge Roofing is the trusted roofing contractor in Sundance, Utah, 84604, specializing in both residential and commercial services. With over 20 years of experience, we offer comprehensive roofing solutions, including new roof installations, repairs, maintenance, and storm damage assessments. We use high-quality materials like asphalt shingles, metal, and tile, ensuring durable roofs built to withstand Utah's climate. Whether you need a new roof, gutter repair, or ventilation solutions, EagleRidge provides top-notch services, all with transparent pricing and a commitment to customer satisfaction. For commercial properties, we offer flat roof installations, metal roofing, and preventative maintenance programs like the EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan. EagleRidge Roofing guarantees expert craftsmanship, compliance with local codes, and a strong focus on quality control. Contact us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website to learn more about our services. We are Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, proudly serving the Wasatch Front.